What's up, guys? It's Xavier Santos 47. Welcome to Street Rides TV. I just picked up an iPhone 11 Max Pro or Pro Max. I got the 256 gigabyte. They didn't have the higher one. More than enough for me. And I'm just doing a quick video showing you guys how well this records. They say it's the best camera that ever been put on a phone before. A lot of good reviews online, so I want to show you guys, different lighting, different angles. Just using my car, it's 30. I'm not really showcasing the car. I'm just showing you guys the recording capabilities of the iPhone 11. And we got live zoom here. This is 6x. Absolutely love it. I'm gonna be recording all my videos using this. Let's get a close-up shot of some grass. It's freaking amazing. I mean, it's honestly the best phone I've ever owned. Camera's awesome. I give it a 9 out of 10. And the only reason why I don't give it a 10 out of 10 is because the zoom still has a long way to go. When you zoom out to 6x, it's very blurry. Comment, like, subscribe. Guys, I'll be doing a lot more reviews, showing you a lot more videos with the iPhone 11, 2019 Pacifica, my Impala. I'm also going to be getting a Camaro, Project Camaro, maybe a Turbo Civic. We're trying to go for 8-second quarter mile. A lot of other awesome things coming. Hit the like button, subscribe. Xavier Santos 47 on Street Rides TV. Thank you guys for all the support. Peace.